na si Don.
Ay,
Dan,
talagang si
Mike.
Don, ah.
Dan Mike Mata. May feeling na ba kayo sa isa't isa?
I'm feeling okay po.
Maganda naman yun.
Oh,
Beses,
tama
tanongin mo
naman.
si Edward. Tanongin mo si Edward.
Edward, you're feeling well?
I think Edward get
do you have feelings for my mind?
The question.
Well, yeah.
What? Uy, oo daw, oo daw.
Yeah. Of course, I mean, like, my first of all, is one of my closest friends. Like, not just in the house, she was, but outside the house now. So, yeah, of course. Who wouldn't? I mean,
So yung may feelings ka nga sa kanya.
of course.
What kind of feelings?
Ba't ka sumagot, May? Siyang
But,
nakasagot na si May. She already answered the question. How about you?
oh, she answered?
Yes.
I'm feeling well. We're feeling
I'm feeling perfect.
sorry.
May ikaw mamay. May feelings ka.
Mamay. Sino yun? Si Mama.
Ako, munti ko nga mabeso si Kuya Bong kanina.